Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. Market pulling on back. Look like you're trying to fight forward. See what's going to happen. Portfolio value at $54,377.36. All right, get into urgent trades. All right, what did I sell today? I sold some HE, Hawaiian Electric. They was up 8%. Went on an 8% run. I sold 11 shares out of this portfolio here at like 260 something, 262. It got up to 268. I sold it like 262, and then another portfolio I sold $491 worth at around the same old price. I sold it here, then I went right there and sold it. How many shares it was? It was $491 worth at $10.68. So probably 40 something, 30 something, 40 something shares. The rinse repeat. I got to do my due diligence to see why they going up so much. I think it was the earnings. They just had third quarter earnings. I know I did see it was positive, but I want to say that is the reason. That's the urgent one. All right, get your papers out, man. I'm gonna just give y'all these tickers of the dividend growth stocks to buy. This is what I brought out of my Cash App portfolio. All right, PFE, Pfizer, that's Pfizer, PFE, NKE, Nike, DG, Dollar General, DEO, Diageo, BA, Boeing, BFB, BF.B, it's Browns Foreman, it's a liquor company, FLO, Flowers Food, KHC, Kraft Heinz, HRL is Hormel Foods. No, they sell the chicken and stuff. AMD is AMD. CVS. Y'all know what CVS is. SCHD, the large caps, Charles Schwab large cap ETF, and AES, which is an electric company. All right, that's out my dividend growth stock portfolio. So I do all the homework for y'all, let y'all know everything is. All right. Urgent buys from this portfolio. We going into monthly dividend stocks and other things. ULTY got down to $9.57. Time view the dollar cost average on the end of these prices. I like it at the $10 and under price. Market pulling back, so this pulling back too. All right, we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with Fiat, FIAT. This is an inverse option ETF on Coinbase. Got down to $8.96, $8.99, $9. I'm buying. Do not load up on this because this is very volatile. When Coinbase is up, this gonna be down. When Coinbase stock is up, this gonna be down. To when Coinbase is down, it's gonna be up. Like the day is down. But if you look at Coinbase, I'm gonna show you CONY, which is the ETF, the option ETF on Coinbase. I just got notification it's up 5% today. See, this is up, meaning Coinbase gonna be up today too. That's how you got to monitor these things. You gotta have a strategy when you're trading. All right, Coinbase is green today, right? Coney is up, CONY, Coinbase is up. Now let's go back to Fiat. It's gonna be down. When they do the opposite. It's the inverse. All right. We're gonna go AMD. I'm gonna show you AMD. AMD is down today. That's why I say you need to get it. I'm gonna show you AMDY. Just do options on AMDY. It's at 11.25. It's down today. I'm gonna get $5 worth. AMDY. Might want to go scoop some AMD too. If you want to hold it for the long term, long haul, you ain't gotta do nothing but buy it at these prices and flip it. There's dollar cost averaging to it. All right, clip down to 1107. $5 worth of that, and I like it at these prices. I did put $1,000 in my portfolio today. Yeah, I told you I had $5 on the side just sitting. I said, let me go ahead and put it in there just to have it there. So when things happen, I would be ready. GOOY is at 1487. I'm good right here in this portfolio. But some of y'all might need a dollar cost averaging to it. All right, we're going HRZN. Got a lot of monthlies today. Horizon Technology. I get one of these every day. 903. I'm buying it for the 11% a month dividend, and I'm gonna swing trade it also. And to get back above that $10 mark, that's when I'm gonna let it rip. But I might hold on to it then at the same old time, depends. But I might just scalp profits though. We're gonna see. I do want to get my 1,000 shares. That's why I'm buying it at these low prices. We're gonna go USOY. Cover calls on crude oil. All right, it's at 1440 today. Like I tell you, got to buy at least a share of this one. It's at 1440. So for y'all to get it, I got it in another portfolio of mine. In my Webull, I did buy a share at 1445 today. That's that one. We'll go back. ORC, gonna get a share of this every day. Going down to a share. Because this one is trading in a sideways pattern. $7.70. This thing looks like it just don't want to break the $8 range for nothing. Does pay a dividend of 12 cents a share a month. While we was on the oil tip, we're gonna go USOI. I like this at the $65 and under price. At 62, yeah, I love this price. Double up, get $10 worth. All I'm doing is breaking down this average cost. Now I'm at adding shares, but breaking down this $74 cost. That's what I want to do. We're gonna go PSEC, PSEC. You know, we're gonna get a share of this every month. We're gonna buy this dip. PSEC was at $4.38. Gonna go 437. PSEC. Well, we are in the P. We're gonna go PFLT. It's pin and float. We're gonna go in at $11. Pays out monthly. Getting that cash flow. Buying these dips. Another we're gonna get is a quarterly paying REIT, MPW. Get a share of this while it's in this buy range. $4.27. I buy this at $4.30 and under. Probably $4.40 and under. Just adding on some shares. 4.38. No. 4.27. This is also a swing trade. It's gonna go back above the $5 mark. I sold some of this at like $6 something. But it does got a nice dividend yield too. All right, monthly pay of EFC, 13 cents a share a month. Go in at $12.12. It's at $12.14. What's my average cost? $12.63. Gonna go at $12.12. Get me 100 shares. Another one going at OXSQ. This broke a new 52-week low, man. Came on down. I brought 25 shares today already at 271, and I got a buy order for 25 more shares at 267. Put them in at 267, and I'm gonna get another 5 since it's here. Perfect stop set up for the swing trade for the future. When the market takes off, that's when you dump it. That's why I sold some of that HE today. While they got on that little run, I'm not greedy. I still got something to hold for the future, just in case it did pass it. We're gonna go with AIYY, $8.56. Pays a nice dividend too every month, 8.56. And it's when you want to accumulate these stocks when they cheap. Got USOY. Alright, we're gonna go to take a CHPT for y'all that are riding out with me with charge point. 110. Like I said, they got this as a whole, but I'm going to be trading when they get to about 121. Everything I brought at 112, 113, I'm selling it. I'm going to rinse and repeat. All right. Another one I'm doing, you can get in this if you want. I say probably stay out of it. Put your money in EFC. Cherry Hill, this is a nice swing trade too, though. 271. This had bad earnings. I'm already in it. So I'm going to trade myself up out of it by dollar cost averaging. That's how I handle it. One thing you can't lose with dollar cost averaging. Man, that thing going to buy a share every day. When they get on the run above that, the $3 mark, that's when you let it rip and sell it. Like I said, this market's so funny because now they talking about they're not going to cut the interest rates. The interest rates is fast. So now they're taking their money up out of the market now. SBSW, we're going $3.96. It's another one I'm swing trading. That's another. You ain't got to do that. Get that one either. But if you want to get a little dividend, don't pay a big yield, but it got a lot of value for you to trade if you just buy it and hold it. Ajax, $3.01 today. Excuse me. Another one I'm a swing. All right, another one to show you. I think this is the last one on my list. I got one more after this one. It's Goro. All right, I brought 100 shares at. I put about order in at 13 cents. As you can see right now, I got 3,238 shares at 39 cents, bringing down my average cost. When this get around at $18, I'm gonna sell it. If it go on a good old run, yeah. That's why I say I'm already in it, so I'm gonna trade myself up out of it. It's just a challenge for me to see my trading skills. All right, HPP, $3.70 is down. Get $5 worth for that. I'm already in it, so ain't nothing I can do. Like I said, it does pay a dividend. I'm gonna trade myself up out of it. A lot of REITs I have now, I'm gonna dump after I trade myself up out of it in profit. A lot of them I would not visit again. Real estate right now gonna be rough. I am in real estate, and I don't think I even want to rent to this upcoming generation because they don't want to work and they want to be overnight millionaires. Right now, I got a room that has been vacant for about 2 months at a price of $230 a week, and I can't even get nobody to qualify because they just don't want to work this generation. And you got to rent to the generation coming up, and you see how You see how it is over here, man. How they man, it's just rough over here in America, man. But like I said, that's why I put all my money into the market. When I get my rent, I throw it into the market. I just paid off the margin on my Webull portfolio for that reason. I got some money coming up out of CD that's about to mature December 1st, and another one coming after that in April. I'm throwing all that money. I think it's about 17 grand. I'm putting all into my Webull portfolio, and I'm trading on the dividends. So anytime I get in the rut, I can just wait 30 days. My dividends be in my Webull portfolio and transfer it to my bank account if I really need it. But that's my strategy. All right. We 15 minutes in. Let's get on through it. I had a lot of stuff today to trade. Y'all might want to watch these videos. Watch all of the videos. I was talking to somebody last night to my man. We got to sit down and talk about the stock. I said, no, it ain't. I said, you need to sit down and watch the videos. Because there ain't nothing I'm going to tell you in person that I don't see inside the video. But, and they had to tell them, man, if you want to, if you want to talk, I didn't got to charge you. Like, man, I'm taking my time out. What you need, a 30-minute session or an hour? It's a dollar a minute. So you pick and choose. Crab ham gonna get $5 worth of this at these prices. It's a blue chip stock, you can kind of call it. Been around a while. Not going anywhere. All right, let's get on through this trade today. HPP, we got some of that. That's Granite Point Mortgage. Ain't worrying about that right now. I got CHMI. Ready Capital did have bad earnings. Forgot about this one. That's why I go through and check and do these checks here. Kind of dollar cost average in this one. Let me show y'all a profile on Ready Capital just in case y'all want to visit this. This is a REIT. Does have a market cap over $1 billion, 1.18 billion. 52-week low is 665 with a high of 1167. You got this as a whole. 22% buy, 67% hold, 11% sell. Dividend yield 16.7%. That's a juicy yield. Is it sustainable? Gonna be the question. But even if they cut it a little bit, you can't beat that dividend. CSA, that's just part of the game. Y'all know when you buy REITs and double-digit dividend yields, it is what it is. Like I say, have your money in the market better than have it in the bank account anyway. If you don't, like I say, buy the CEF, which are closed-end funds, and the ETFs, the RYLDs, QYLDs, those like high yielding, you might not get but about a 12% with the RYLDs, QYLDs, SSDIVs, but with the closed-end funds, you can get above the 14% yield. And don't take as many dividend cuts. Look at BGS Foods. I know they was down. They had bad earnings too. Perfect time to come on down. $5 a day. Like I see, no companies can get no loans because interest rates are so high. I went and got a loan the other day for 35 grand. I paid off the margin, freed up that. Cause in my portfolio of that, and anyway, I got a 5-year, 35 grand interest rate, like 16%. But all of my stocks in my portfolio got most of them, the yield max the ETF, so I can just take that money. I mean, I got like over $2,000 a month coming in, and that, and just pay the loan off and still have money left to invest. But I'm gonna leave my money in the market and just pay the loan off out of my pocket with my everyday money. I think my payment like $834 or $843 a month. I'm just give them $1,000 and let that be that, and keep my money in there and flip it. USOI, we got that. Called leveraging debt, man. IMKTA. This angles at $70. I'm not touching it. I like it in the low 60s. All right, we're in the yield max section. How I know I am at the end of my portfolio. All this come up last. ULTYs, give you that. AIYYs. I spy spit. Spit should be below the night. There we go. That's why I like it at. Below that $20 range. See if it could come a little lower. I definitely drop some money on it. Pays 33 cents a share a month. I just like to keep my average cost below the $20 mark. So this very seldom I'm gonna pull back below my average cost, which is like $19.49 or something. QQQY got $1 recurring every day in that one. But on the down days, I will add to it. Lower my average cost, QQQY. And it pays every week. Probably why it is down, because the dividend payment just came out. As you can see this week, I got a dividend of $7.11. It's paying 33 cents a share for this week here, which is excellent. Pays out weekly. In fact, I'm gonna get another. Put $20 on there. What is I'm gonna buy a full share QQQY for this week at this price. I'd add a whole share onto it. I want to get it to where I'm getting at least $20 a week, or really about $50 a week out of it. Now I'm gonna reinvest the dividends. Right now I got a reoccurring $1 a day. I make between $5.50 and $7 a week, so that's really paying for itself. That's why I'm not tripping on that. QDT, XDTE, and these also pay out monthly. Like you see, this right now is down below my average cost. I pay $1 a day already. Just add a little $2 onto it. That's XDTE. And we go to QDTE. Like this, all I do is, man, just accumulate. QDT, that was at what, 42.21 I just did. It's at my average cost right now. Extra $2 with it on the down days. This another one, floating rate income ETF. Another nice one. All right, I think that's gonna be it. Sorry for the long video, but there's a bunch of buys out here. SCHG is another one I need to get, which is down today. All right, let's pull it on back. Got this in 2 portfolios. One in the future I will swing trade it. One of them I'ma keep. Got a $1 recurring going there too. YMAX is another one that pays out weekly. 1751, 1738. I ain't gonna bother. It's really not pulling back a lot. Leave it alone. Got a dividend coming for this one too for the week. Got what? 15 cents a share, 34 cents. Let's let it piece it together. Rome wasn't built overnight. All right, that's it, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos. If y'all still there, most of y'all probably not, because y'all don't like watching videos, which is all good. Your money, your future. Signing off. Go get your money.